guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Class. Today's recipe is healthy and sugar-free granola bar. Let's get started. Things required are 1 cup of oats, half a cup of honey, almonds, walnuts, dates, pumpkin and flax seeds. De-seed the dates. Lowers the cholesterol, rich in protein, rich in vitamins, improves the bone health, strengthens the nerve system, rich in iron. Soak the dates in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. In a pan, add 1 cup of oats. Roast it about 2 minutes at a low heat. Provides antioxidants, reduces blood sugar, improves cholesterol levels, reduces the risk of asthma, enriched in vitamins, rich in fiber. Keep it aside until it cools down. Take a pan, add the nuts. Here I've used walnuts and almonds. You can use nuts of your choice. Roast it for about 1 minute. After roasting, roughly chop the nuts. In a mixer, add the pumpkin and flax seeds. Grind them coarsely. In a mixer, add the soaked dates. Grind them into fine paste. Now, in the oats, add the grinded pumpkin and flax seeds, roughly chopped nuts, date paste, half a cup of honey, and mix it well. Grease the paste, add the prepared mixture, tap them nicely, and refrigerate it for about 3 hours. Here our healthy and sugar-free granola bars are ready to serve. Watch next video. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your favorite recipe. Bye!